It's good to have money and things money can buy, but it's good too to check upon. Hello everyone. I hope you liked my previous video and the video was beneficial for you all. I'm back with another video. For today, our topic is money, around which the whole world revolves round and round until the last breath. Money is the most important entity in this whole world. Money is the most important factor in human's life, and without which a life is impossible. And we do work hard to earn money and live a peaceful life. There are many aspects regarding money. Many people say that without money you can't survive in this world. It's true that without money we can't survive in this whole world. But everything is not money. Everything doesn't depend upon money. We can't buy happiness. Many people say that if he or she has money, then they have fulfilled their life, they have accomplished everything. But it is not like that. Money cannot buy our happiness. There are many perspectives regarding money, and we need to discuss all those perspectives, all those aspects. For today, we will discuss that whether money can buy our happiness or not, whether money can buy our emotional feelings, our emotions. We all know that money can buy the products. We buy generally our food product, our health products, our necessary things through money. But do we really buy our emotions through money? No, it's not. It's absolutely not. So, today we will discuss that is really money an important factor to buy our happiness? So, let's start and begin on discussion regarding money can buy our happiness or not. We all know what is money. Money is any form of paper or metal that can be used in exchange of a good or to avail a service. Everything in this real world is secondary to money, and there's no doubt about it. Arthashastra, written by the famous Chanakya, it also deals with all aspects of wealth in politics as well as economic. So now let's ask ourselves how it came into our life. Money was originally invented by the man as a common denomination. In the old days, money was used in trade, in exchange of goods, and the earning and to save the earnings in form of money. In the old days, money was secondary to ethical and moral values in the society. But today, it doesn't happen like that. Today, in this generation, nowadays, everything boils down to money. As the time progressed, the value of money increased tremendously and the value of human being decreased as compared to money. We need money for buying food products, health products, and many other necessities of our life. We earn more money to live a comfortable life. Many people earn more and more money to live a luxurious life so that they have all comforts and luxuries of their life. But there is one catch. Money is often the seed of money. That is, you can earn more money if you have money. Taking a loan is one such way people get the initial seed. We earn more money for the saving, for the security of ours and our family members for the future against any calamity. When we have money, people will give us respect in the society. It's like a man without money is like a bow without arrows. Money has changed its form into plastic cards like credit card, debit card, and many internet secure accounts. One must save the money earned in multiple assets like residential houses, plots, deposits, investments, etc. for the secure purpose. Unfortunately, even the richest person seems not to be content with the amount he or she has. He or she will be eager to earn more. So, we must exercise caution not to be greedy beyond limits. We must not exercise to go beyond our limits. Whatever money we have, how much money we have, we should be content with that amount of money. Now let's start discussing whether money can buy our happiness or not. Different people have different views on this aspect. For some, money is life, and for some, money is just a need, not a priority. It's a well known saying, and we all have heard about it. I suppose at some point in our lives, we all have pondered over its supposed significance. But what does it really mean? It signifies that money is not the most important thing in this world. It's not the highway that will lead us to our destiny, that is, eternal happiness. People lived and die over money. And in fact, if you will have a close enough and think about it for a second, then you will get an almost scenario where you can see that we have spent all our life doing is the pursuit of that printed paper. That's money. We work tireless day and night, all in a desperate struggle to earn more and fast. The nights went awake, the mornings went scrambling to get dressed and get to work, all in that very struggle. Some people have lived all their life in that effort, but it also seems so far. It's like an ever extending hallway, the end of which we can never hope to reach. If money can buy our true happiness, then what about the era before the money was invented? Of course, money can buy the services and goods, but it can't buy our true happiness. For example, if we buy a car and despite of buying a car, you are still stressed regarding some other issues, will you feel happy? There are many examples like this which states that nothing can buy our true happiness. True happiness is something which you can feel if there is no state of contradiction. Without it, it's impossible to feel happy despite of having all the luxuries of your life. Now let's talk about our basic requirements like health, clothes, shelter. So firstly, health. Health is one of the most important requirements without which our life is meaningless. Don't we? In order to stay more healthy, we make changes in our habits and in our exercises as well as in our foods. Does it cost us much? Let's move further. Clothes. Clothes is one of the most important requirement of our life. And according to definition that is universally accepted, that the purpose of wearing clothes is to protect our body from atmospheric conditions that is not suitable for our body and to cover the parts of our body against for social aspects. But do we really buy the clothes considering the above definition? No, absolutely no. Now let's move further. Shelter. Shelter is one of the most important requirements above all clothes, health, food, and it costs us more than more other things. What if your house is big but you are poor socially? Or else your house is comparatively small but you have all the health, all the wealth of your relatives. You can get a difference between when we run over a lot of money or where we are limited with a sufficient amount of money. So, the actual problem is that we do not select our food, our health, our clothes, our shelter, and many other things on the basis of our lifestyle in order to make our life better and meaningful. but rather we select it to show to others, to get noticed by others. In depth, we want to get attention of others so that it can give us happiness. But these happiness are temporary because we should not try to show off to others. Rather, we should do things that will give satisfaction to us. So, in short, we relate our happiness and ultimately it with money that will give us excitement only. Money is a helper, not a source of happiness. So, money is important, but it definitely cannot buy our happiness, and that also our true happiness, our forever happiness. Ending my video, I would say that not cheap without reason, not dear without value. He who does kind deeds becomes richer. You care for money, money will care for you. Money is not everything in life. Good relations, happiness, and safeties are important too. Money is not only the goal of life, though it's the one we all are after. I hope you all liked my video. And if you really like my video, then please do hit the like button, comment, and do not forget to share my video. If still you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for the updates and notifications. I hope you all liked my video and we will meet in the next video.